Hello guys, and welcome to my 27th video tutorial. And finally guys, this is going to be our last video to build a script to upgrade or update value in the database. Okay, so this is our last script to update a value. This is to build this or to create the script, you have to create a new file called change.php, which is the file that I named here in the action, okay, action form. The file to process this form is change.php, and this is the form, here it is, to edit any value of a user that we have in the database. Okay, then we can click here, save and update, and we'll save and update automatically, okay, instantaneously to our database. So let's go here and start by typing an ID variable, and we have to get that ID. Okay, and to get that ID from the form, we type here ID. This is correspondent to this line of code here, okay, which is hidden, but it gives us the ID value, okay, of the user. So ID, next is name. So here I'm going to type new name equals and request, and here we have to type the name that we typed in here. New name, new email, and new password. So new name, now new email, we can type the other new password, and here is request, square brackets, and new email. That's it. And here is request, request, and here is new password. Okay, perfect. Let's proceed, and now let's type some MySQL functions. The first is the connect. We want to connect to the database. As always, the name of the server, localhost, where the database is, the name of the user, which is root, by default in XAMPP, and you can leave in blank the password or die. And let's type here, as always, problems with connection. Now let's go to the next line and type MySQL, select DB test site, and now let's type MySQL query. Okay, and the query, this is important, pay attention. We have to type update with capital letters, update the name of the table, users, set, and now we're gonna set the values, or the new values. Okay, so set for the field name equal, and here between these symbols we're going to type the variable that holds the request value. Okay, the value that we typed, the new value that we typed in the edit form. Okay, in this form here. So whatever value I type in here now, and then I click here, it's going to be stored with this line of code in as the new value in your database. Okay, so we type the name of the variable, which is new name, comma, and now let's type email, the field email that is going to be updated by the new value, new email. And now for the last, it's the password. Okay, and the password equals to the variable new password. And I think that's it. Okay, and now you type where, let's put this in the next line, where ID equals ID. Okay, and what this means is that set a new value or a new name in the name field, in the email field, in the password field, where the ID is the ID that we are using, okay, or that we used in the edit form. Okay, so basically it will change the values where it needed to be changed. So now let's type something like echo, and your values have been updated successfully. And here let's type something which is the MySQL close to close the connection, and let's include our links .php. Let's save this, and I think that's it. We are finished with our script. This is the last script. It's simple, and now let's see if it works. That's the most important part. And let's go to here. Let's type localhost and test site home. Okay, so home, if I click register, that's okay. If I click edit, we see every value that we had in our database, or every user. If I click, let's change this name here, Alex. It should be Alex, but I already delete the X. So let's click here, and let's click here Alex, and let's take out the com, and let's delete some numbers here. Save and update. Syntax error. I was hoping for an error. So the error is in line 18. So let's go to line 18. And oh, this is it. Semicolon. I forgot to put that. So let's go back. Let's put some X's there. Save and update. Your values have been updated successfully. Okay, and how can we prove that? If you click here, edit user, You can go directly to your phpMadmin and see if that changed. But this is a faster way. If you click Edit User, you'll see the tables, right? And you'll see that Alex has already changed, and the Hotmail changed, and the password changed. Okay, so we changed everything there. So basically, it works perfectly. Okay, so our code, if we go to the phpMadmin and we refresh, of course, the database is changed. Has changed here. You see, Alex? So that's it, guys. We made it. We know how to change now and upgrade or update any value that you want in your web page, okay, without changing directly in your phpMadmin or your MySQL database. You can do changes, or your users of your website can do changes in your database, okay? So this is it for this video, and I'm just gonna change a little, some little things here. I'm going to put the include links in some of the files here. That doesn't need that. Save. This is to insert. The home already has links here. Update. Paste. Save. Edit. Let's put here. Paste. Save. This doesn't need. And here are the include links. Okay, so each one of the web pages that we have in our CRUD test site has the links that we need. Okay, so let's go home. If we go to register, we have here register. You have to complete the form. MySQL close. No MySQL link resource supplied on line 27. Insert PHP. Let's go to insert PHP. Let's see what the hell is this. Insert PHP, line 27. MySQL close. And this is insert. Let's take MySQL close. Let's delete that. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, you have to complete the form. So home, register. If we click register, you have to complete the form. Edit user and delete user. This is going to be our next objective, our next mission. And edit user, if I click 9, let's change this to something else. Let's type here John and save and update. Your values have been successfully updated. Edit user, and here it is, John. Okay, perfect. Okay, so see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see ya.